Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable the feature of fund code into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to disable fund code, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Simply open that, and after that select your profile and then go to security page at very first. After going into security, scroll down until you see this option of fund code. Select fund code and you will get this toggle for fund code toggle. Now you just simply have to disable fund code toggle and tap to disable, and you will get to see this page where you will have to enter your fund code at very first and your 6-digit verification code from Google Authenticator. Simply enter this both and tap to confirm. Then after doing this, your fund code will successfully be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.